Hi everybody, Patricia here. Today we're going to talk about a really neat tool that's put out by SiteCell, also known as SBI. Now, this particular tool, its function, is to assist you in building pages that are perfectly optimized. And so, if you can see here on the screen, when you're hosted through SiteBuilder, what happens is you're confronted with a page like this, where you would enter right here your keyword. In this case, it's keyword marketing, your page title, the keywords that you've selected and you're going to use on this page, and the description of the page. So let's see what happens here. I've created just kind of a little page for practice sake, and let's see what happens here. So we're going to say very nice, and here we are. And so as you can see, I've already using the Block Builder 2, which is the website builder for SiteCell. Excuse me, you can see here what we've done is I've already gone ahead and I've put in the information and a video here and so forth and so far. Now, let's go ahead and see how it looks when we analyze it. Okay, so what it's telling us here is that the file name is good, page information is good, and the content is good. Okay, so if we close that, let's see what happens if we change the page information here. And we go keyword, let's go online. Marketing. Keyword. Let's see, what else can we do here? Let's spell keyword wrong. There. Alright, so now we're going to change our page information right here. And, we've got an error message. Okay, cannot be longer than 80 characters. Alright, so let's go ahead and we will correct that. So we'll just take that out. And let's try it again. Alright, so let's take this out and see what happens. Alright, so now what we've done is we've changed the page information for this particular page, which looks like this if we preview it. And what I always do is when I'm building a page is that I rough it in first, analyze it once all my text is in place, then I go back and edit whatever's required for the actual look and feel of the page. Okay, this is taking a couple minutes to load, but we can go ahead while it's doing that. And okay, that's taking too long. So let's just wait for, alrighty. Well, what we'll do now is we'll go ahead and we'll analyze it. Okay, so now you can see that when we put in errors on our page, file name's still good, specific title, keyword is not in the title box. And then it's telling me that I need to put it in exactly the way I've entered it here in the file name. And then it's telling me that the specific keyword, which is keyword marketing, is too far back in the title. And it's telling me it's not in the description box. So if we close that, okay, we're going to go back and edit our page information. And we'll take that out where it said it's not in the page title. Okay. And we're going to correct the spelling error we made. Right here. Whoops. Sorry about that. Little error. Okay. And now we're going to change our page information. Okie dokie. And now that we've made those corrections, let's take a look at what it tells us now. There we are. So what it tells me is with the corrections we've made, file name's good, all the page information is good, and the content is good. So we can close that, go back to our editing, have it looking exactly the way we want it to look, bold out or put in graphics or whatever you're going to do on your page. And from there, when you build it, you know that you're building a page that is perfectly optimized. It's an absolute ideal way for beginners to start because it can be very confusing. How many keywords, for instance, in your body, like in this part here with your content, keywords need to be placed in, at the top, certain sprinkled through the middle of your content, and then of course down here at the end. So it's very important for the search engines that everything be optimized correctly. And so this is just an invaluable tool, and it's even great for more seasoned webmasters because I can tell you when you build a lot of pages, human nature is you get tired or perhaps you get a little sloppy. This is like kind of someone sitting over your shoulder checking up on you saying, oh, you made an error. Absolutely ideal. I highly recommend it. Analyze It has allowed me to produce for myself and for my clients pages that are perfectly optimized every single time. So that's about it for Analyze It for today. The next video we'll come out with is actually selecting your keywords, which is called Brainstorm It. So have a great day, and if you get a chance, slip on over to my website and you can learn more about this valuable tool. Have a great day.